Morning! Today we are at Blair Drummond Safari and Adventure Park.
Yay! For
the Halloween trick-or-treat trail.
Yes, we're here for the Halloween special.
Very excited. There's some spooky tents as well as all the animals, and we have not been here in forever, so it's going to be fun just to see it anyway.
I know, we've not been here in a long time, and let's get going. We'll see you on the other side.
Yay!
Bye! Check out this spooky big spider. Halloween has begun!
Another one. We're under the attack of the spiders.
And there's a third one. What's going on?
That's quite scary, that one.
This one is the scariest one. Look at that bad boy. Oh no, somebody's been eaten by the hay bale. Look at that. Angry wee guy. It's just had his lunch. We just found this wee skeleton guy here just chilling. He looks very angry.
So we're just in the animal reserve, and I feel I should have looked up what some of these animals were, so I'll probably get half of them wrong. But here's some guys here.
Not too sure what they're called.
No. Big deer things.
Aye.
Up here we have a zebra. I'm not sure if you can see him. He's having his breakfast. Morning, zebra.
And look at the wee things in front of us, just running across the road. Look.
These guys are on the run. Morning, birds! And this big grumpy man in front of us with the biggest horns I have ever seen. What are they called?
I don't know. I want to call them bison, but I don't think they are.
They're not bison. I don't know what they are. If you know what they are, let us know.
How cool is he, but?
Those are some horns.
It's like me in the morning, he's not very happy.
No. So we're just entering the lions. Got one right here. They're really close to the car.
Really close. Right, wait till you see this one. I'm going to pull up alongside this one. This is how close the lions are to us.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that
The
doozy.
size of it. Good morning.
Oh my lord. Oh, look at him. Look at the size of that guy. I could swear he's looking at me thinking, breakfast.
I think he is looking right at you. He's looking at that other car thinking that's a bigger car. There's more people in that car.
How cool is he?
Side-eyeing you.
That's amazing.
Morning, sir. Look at their big toy area. From having a cat, it's just strange to think that, I know they're big cats, that they would have such a fun toy area, like a big cat thing. And there's a ball over here as well for them to play with. There's a bunch just under this tree that we're going to pull up beside. Two young males and some females. They look really young. Oh, they're just having a little interaction. That's so cute. Oh, what a time to be alive. Oh, well, that was a noise. Don't know if you could hear that, but they were. It's a noise. Oh my goodness.
I think we best be getting out of here
I know.
before they end up.
They're a bit rowdy after breakfast. Morning! Oh, I'm getting some shady looks from these guys. Here we've got some deer, finally. After all the woodland things that we've went on trying to find deer, we have finally found some.
Some Bambis.
Aww.
Okay.
I'm not too sure what these are, but they kind of look like a cross between a donkey and a deer. I think they are some sort of deer, but I don't know what kind they are. That car over there, don't worry about it, it's a vet. Look, there's one in the distance that's got a little limp on, I'm not sure if you can see it. So they're just having a wee look to make sure it's alright.
How cool is all the Halloween stuff? Beware of the zombies. Zombies keep out. and the cutest wee ghost. The sea lions are out playing this morning already. Oh, I think they're just away in for a breakfast. Oh, maybe they're not. Oh, they're getting a bit frisky.
What do you want me to do? Stand here or we'll go over there?
This is a pretty cool fact about the deepest dive ever recorded for a sea lion. I think I was a sea lion in my other life. How cute are the wee meerkats? I think they've just woke up. They've got that sort of look on their face. We've got wee Alexander here. Look at him standing up. Hello everybody. There's one here just going absolutely crazy. Look at him, wee guy. We just spotted the penguins. Oh, look, what are these two here doing? Look at this. They're literally just got their face planted right against the rock.
They're living the best life.
Oh, they're living the dream.
There's a peacock up on top.
There's a better angle of them, and we'll just be able to see these two that are face planted right against the rock. I'm not got a clue why they've done that.
I was just going to say maybe they're cold, but they're penguins who live in the cold, so...
I don't think they get cold. Let's get a wee alpaca here, loving his life, having his breakfast today. And then we've got another couple here. And then donkey in the distance, with Shrek saying, "Donkey!" And then Eddie Murphy's voice come back. I mean, surely it's not just me that hears Eddie Murphy's voice anytime they see a donkey. This alpaca's been an emo today. We got some hens on the list, I think. Are they? The hens?
Is there a chicken?
Is there a chicken? Oh, it's coming for us.
No. Oh my goodness, it's coming.
Look, it says there's chicken and it's running. Look at it. That's crazy. It's a way to get its exercise in this morning. Still going.
I just told her that Chrissy's favourite was KFC.
Aye, it's running away from me. So here's our wee pal, the pig. Look at him, he's having the time of his life. Look at him.
Hello. Hello. It's hot chocolate. It's
This wee guy who wants Natalie's hot chocolate.
It's all of them think I've got food. It's hot chocolate.
Both they're going crazy for Natalie's food, even though she's not even got anything.
It's hot chocolate. Sorry guys.
So I've got a wee wishing well here, and if you fling in some money, it helps all these charities here. So we've got a Blair Drummond Weatherstone, but they've changed it to a skull. That's pretty cool. And apparently, I didn't know about this today, but Natalie was just explaining it to me there. This skull here says if it's wet, it's raining. If the stone's dry, it's not raining. If it's shadow on the ground, it's sunny. White on top, it's snowing. Can't see the stone, it's foggy. Swinging, it's windy, which as you can see it's doing right now. And if the stone's gone, it's a tornado, and if it's jumping up and down, it's an earthquake. I didn't know anything about this.
I love them, they're the funniest things.
Aye, they're brilliant.
But for Halloween, it's a skull, I love it.
Before we head in for the sea lion show, Natalie's going to pretend to be one. Oh, she almost fell.
It's hard.
Nah, can't do it.
I'm not a sea lion.
Look at this cool wee dancing witch. Natalie and her animal, look at them.
I'm an elephant.
There's quite a few of them here actually.
Do you like them? It's actually alright.
Natalie, what are you doing?
I'm going on a jungle safari. I've just found a snake, so I'm good at it.
Well, you two can have a pet dinosaur.
Just taking Steve for a walk.
Let's just make sure Natalie's going. Yep. So here we go. And we get Now I tell you something, if we were kids we would so be on these tractors.
Yeah, it's so fun.
They look cool, don't they? Look at that.
I found a ride that's alright.
That is pretty good. I mean, don't get me wrong, if they would let me on them now, I would do it.
There is a sign that says no adult.
Aww.
You want to make sure they feel nice and comfortable. You want all your own space. So all I want to do is investigate that. And that's it. Well, good job, well done. He probably doesn't know the start. Yeah, let's see that one too. Ready? Come on up again. You've seen that one? Yeah. Jumping off the cliff faces back into the ocean. Do we think the lost is brave enough? Let's see, let's do a little countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! Well done, This is our spring tent for our Hallowild event. On behalf of myself, Nikki, and
We're just about to head into the fright rooms to find Alice apparently. There's some of the cool decoration here for Where's Alice?
Pumpkins are alive.
Oh, so they are. Pumpkins are alive, look. So we've just come out of that scare house and what did you think of it?
I thought it was amazing. It was not what I expected at all. It was quite scary. There were tiny wee kids in our wee party. They send you in groups of 10. But it was well worth it. You should definitely come give it a try.
Yeah, it was cool. It was nothing like Florida to be honest, but to be fair, for Blair Drummond, it was good. I enjoyed it.
Mad Hatter was very terrifying.
Aye, Mad Hatter. No, the Cheshire Cat.
Oh my goodness, yes. Like you go into a dark room and there's this, like, you can't see anything but there's just a neon floating head talking to you. It's scary.
Aye, it's cool. Well worth it. So here's a pumpkin patch. You can just come and pick your pumpkin. I think you just come in, pay your £3 and you get to take whatever pumpkin you fancy. Take it home, carve it, do whatever you want. I think this guy's seen better days. So to go along with the Alice theme, they've got these pretty cool massive mushrooms inside. Danger! Poison mushrooms. They're well cool. And just some wee skulls and snakes and stuff. Quite a cool theme. A wee giraffe statue here is missing a front leg.
Oh no.
What's going on?
Must have fell off.
Giraffe just poking his wee head out.
It's too cold. That's what he's thinking. Hello. Oh. Hello.
They are massive. Nope, there's a third one. It's a lot darker. Just about to head in and see the elephants.
Elephants are my mum's favourite.
So we're going to see if we can get some leaf cutter ants on the go here. Oh, there's one right there. That's brilliant. Just seeing him, look, running away with his leaf.
Wait, where's it going?
We're just about to go and see the monkeys on Monkey Island.
This is one.
Oh,
They are apes, they're not monkeys.
alright, we're going to go to the Planet of the Apes.
Big ball.
The last 20, 30 years. We woke him up, he's not happy, he's a bit of a big tough of grass out.
Oh, look up. There's a T-Rex on a loose. Females are just up and about. Oh, starting to play a bit.
Come have a cuddle, it's cold.
They're away in for a wee cuddle.
Pigeon flies at about 60 miles an hour, so they're really slow in comparison to something like that. But as soon as they go up and they gain some height, the whole story changes. That's what they're built for. Going up high, tucking in those wings, creating a beautiful little teardrop shape, and then dropping out of the sky as quickly as she can. Now, I said before, we want to stoop her to the lure. We don't fly them from glove to glove because it just doesn't really do them justice. It's not great for their flight style. So go up, get a height, and then I'm going to swing lure around, and her job is to try and catch this little leather pad that I've got on the side of it. And if she catches it, then she wins the game. And my job is to get it as close as I can to her and whip it away at the very last second. And that's because, well, when a pigeon sees a falcon like this out in the wild, they go, oh, you spotted me, you can eat me now. They try and avoid them. And we've got one suicidal duck on that dog, look at that. How long is that going to last? Gonna go by one or one. So this is all just an exciting, fun game for her. Now, you can see speed's the very first thing she always tries. Going off into the wind, coming out as fast as she can. And when that fails, and that does fail in the wild as well, it's not a fail-safe guaranteed method of catching your prey. So if that fails, she's got to do a bit of thinking. She's got to think about where her prey is, the directions that she's got in her favour. She might try a few things. Oh, good vertical, come on. Oh, very good. And what she'll try and do is use the environment to her advantage. Go off behind the trees and the bushes, see if she can get out of my line of sight. I can't see her, so I've got to guess where she is. She suddenly reappears. Or she might go off and go into the sun. And if she goes right off into the sun, I might get blinded. If I get blinded, then I can't see her. She catches me. Oh, quick turns! That was rubbish. Where are you going? Struggling with the wind there. And that's another thing she'll try and do though, is use those quick turns, keep the pressure on, make sure they don't get much chance to recover, go off, play with ducks, get bored of ducks, comes back. It's got to be a really fun game for her, you see. Oh, that was a good one, I thought. So, when this bird flies and plays this with me, are a mixture between a doctor and a dentist. Sorry, a doctor and a dustbinman in terms of what they do. So he will spot a carcass from miles away. He'll be up in the sky, again soaring beautifully, looking down on the ground. His eyesight is much better than even the kites. You can see a rabbit down on the ground from about 3 miles away. So really good eyesight. And he'll spot that wildebeest or whatever's died, each of about 2, which is the equivalent strength to car battery. Now, Kevin, come with me, you guys. I've got a good bit of advice for you, okay? Vultures eat dead things.